Hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I'm redoing one. I don't know. I guess I'll just delete the one that I actually did the other day for this. This is Mom's Dry Noodles Spicy Hot Pot. A biffy biff. As you can see, I'm on there, and that's Lin. She's a really famous singer in Taiwan. So, let's cook her up. 700 milliliters, and what is it? 5 to 6 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes. So yeah. What a day. It's been an amazing day. And a crazy day. And a heavy day. And it's only started. One, two, three, four, five, bam. So, yeah, this is a Taiwanese variety. Mom's Dry Noodle stuff has done really good in the past, so I'm thoroughly looking forward to this. I made it last time with like less than half the water that was called for, so I didn't like it so much. It's way too strong. But I think this way I will like it much better. So I got up this morning a little later than I shoulda, but early enough to be able to get the work done that I needed to. And so, being that it wasn't 28 degrees outside, I was able to take my daughter Miriam for a walk once my son Miles went to school, which was very cool. Got a really loud speaker now, and actually my Fitbit didn't conk out. And I did, what, like 4 miles about? And it was like 6.4 kilometers. So that's cool. I get home and do stuff around here, and now it's kind of crazy because we had some genetic testing done for my son Miles, and results came back. They want to do the test again, which sucks because he had to get a blood draw. But preliminary, it showed that he had some kind of, I can't even remember what the name is, I just found this out like about 45 minutes ago, that he has something, it's not curable, and I just, yeah, so trying to distract myself. I just got off the phone with my wife. We're just like, but I mean, he's still him. He's doing better every day. So it's not like something I don't think it's something, I mean, I really don't know if it's something that can lead to like death from it. I'll just say it. I don't know. Boy. I tell you, I picked a bad decade to quit drinking. Woo. Yeah, wow. It's like, as a parent, I'm just like, whoa. It's crazy. If you don't have kids, you have no clue. None at all. In fact, if you don't like worry and being selfless a lot of the time, don't have a kid. But there, I mean, because those things are pretty intense. But the other side of it, there is such amazing happiness you can have being a parent. So, a lot of people that I've talked to say, "Oh, I'm never gonna be a parent." Blah blah blah. That's just not for me. I'd be a horrible parent. It's like some of these people, it's just like, oh God, whatever. You'd be one of the best parents around, you know. Anyways, yeah. So that's what I'm going through today. It's weird. Very weird. But noodles. Noodles. So these are Taiwanese noodles. They're broad. It's a hot pot. So I got with Miri when we went on our walk. We went to the store and got a bunch of stuff for hot pot, like things they showed on the package. Because I'll tell you, the easiest way to make a pack of noodles look really nice. Serving suggestion. There's always a serving suggestion on the front of a pack, unless it's just like a cartoon character. But we are done. But yeah, you know, it's... There we go. There we go. That looks a heck of a lot soupier than when I made it the other day. So you're supposed to put in 700 mils of water, not 300. And you're supposed to cook it all together. So let's see what this is like. Good chew on that, that's for sure. It still, though, has a very, very strong Szechuan pepper flavor. Maybe I'm just not... I'm not a big fan of spicy hot pot. And that's, like, sad because I know that's, like... in my journey to try to become a little more authentic and Asian, not just a crazy white guy who likes noodles. Hot pot is like a very intrinsic part of Chinese culture, so it's like I have to like hot pot. Don't I? I don't know. I just don't know. Anyways, I've got some baby bok choy. It shows on the package these things out like this, and I figure, hey, why don't I just try to do it close to the look on the package. Oh, I've got some beef. I'm gonna throw it right in there. Beef hottie pot. There we go. We'll give that a stir. Yeah. Alright, and we got some other vegetables. I'm just gonna put them on top though. Whoa, sorry camera. Okay, that's not. No. Get under there. I don't know. I kind of want everything to stay in the bowl. That makes it really hard at picture day. Or at picture time on picture day. Stay in your bowl, children. Stay in your bowl. But yeah, let me tell you, I don't cry often, and that was wow. What sucked it was over text, you know. I know it also sucked. I mean, was the fact that my wife isn't here, because it's like when something happens with your kid, you want to be with your significant other, of course, you know, and she's at work, she can't get away. So we're both like texting each other, bawling at this. They're like, I'm crying right now. Yeah, I'm crying right now too. So, but yeah, I just want to like, I want the bus to show up right now. I want to go snatch my kid, get him. But I don't want him to think something's wrong with him. Because honestly, there isn't, right? This is just... We got the genetic testing so we could find out if there was any kind of thing that we could find out. And well, we found out, so... It's better to know things than not to. But it doesn't make it any easier currently. Yeah, I'm putting a bunch of junk on here. I'm like as distracted as a human being could possibly be right now. I'm sure you understand. Actually, I hope you don't. It's like terror. Absolute terror. It's like, I don't understand. I don't know what exactly this is. Help. My brain's gonna explode. Alright. Well, look at that. Hottie potty. Look at the package. I was hoping they'd have the little Inokatake mushrooms like right there. But it's like nailed it. Like Pinterest. Anyways, sorry to Mom's Dry Noodle. Sorry to everybody watching. I'm not trying to bring down your day or nothing, but I've found it really helpful in my life to be able to talk to this little tiny orb that has a strange eyeball on front of it from time to time. And today's one of those times when it's just not as happy as usual, so. But it's time to be happy, so yeah. I'll talk to you later. Bye.